Use On Key to connect all your utilities to your enterprise asset management or facilities management landscape. Track the usage of water and trigger alarms if the usage exceeds the average threshold. Or measure power of the main incomer of the facility to track energy and usage patterns and raise an alarm if an anomaly is detected. Another popular use case is to continuously monitor a standby generator's condition, performance, and operational parameters by tracking its efficiency, total energy produced per liter of fuel, and fuel level. On Key Connect offers the complete end-to-end solution. A set of sensors and predetermined monitoring points is configured for a wide range of utilities. Included in the product is the edge devices and processing needed to collect data at the asset and transfer it into the cloud-hosted platform. From there, real-time visualizations will give you visibility of the state of the utilities and levels of consumption. Data can then be integrated into On Key EAMS or any other EAMS or work management system. In the EAMS, rules and triggers are configured, which will raise alarms when anomalies are detected. This will typically be abnormal water or power consumption, or an exception. An alarm will be converted into a work order, which will action an inspection or, in the case of a predetermined alarm exception, trigger the right remedial work. On Key Connect, connecting assets to digital twins.